while the increasing representation of Indian origin politicians in the ongoing UK elections is widely accepted, Leicester, more specifically Leicester East, presents a unique case. In Leicester East, not only are the two main parties, Labour and Conservative, represented by Indian origin candidates, a former Labour Party veteran is also contesting for re-election under the aegis of the newly formed party, One Leicester. There are 6 other candidates in the running for the seat. Let's take a closer look at who the Indian origin candidates are. Ex-Labour veteran Keith Vaz is the British Parliament's longest-serving British Asian MP from 1987 to 2009. The 67-year-old was the first person of Asian origin to sit in the House of Commons since 1922. Keith and Valerie Vaz are also the first PIO, persons of Indian origin, siblings to make it to the House. Born to Goan parents in Yemen, Vaz moved to Britain in 1965. A law graduate from Cambridge, he became Labour Party's youngest MP when he was elected to Leicester East seat at 30 years of age. His long political career has been interspersed with various controversies, including the Hinduja affair in 2001 and the expenses scandal in 2009. In 2016, after serving in the position for 9 years, he resigned as chair of the Home Affairs Select Committee after days of allegations involving sex workers and drugs. While in 2009, he announced that he will be retiring from the parliament, his decision to stand in the elections from One Leicester resulted in his belated expulsion from the Labour Party.
Hello Leicester East, I'm Shivani Raja and I am thrilled to announce that I'll be standing as your Conservative parliamentary candidate for Leicester East this general election.
Shivani Raja is a first-generation British citizen whose parents emigrated from Kenya and settled in Rashid Mead. Her commitment to community service is a consequence of her parents' and neighbourhood's life of resilience over the years. Educated at Soar Valley College and De Montfort University, her vision for Leicester includes innovative, inclusive and genuinely connected leadership. At present, she runs a local business based in Leicester. Her election promises focus on revitalization of local economy, support to the youth and putting the community first.
Like many people here in Leicester East, I'm an immigrant. My name is Rajesh Agrawal.
Finally, the 47-year-old Rajesh Agrawal served as the Deputy Mayor of London for Business under Mayor Sadiq Khan. He also served as the Chairman of London and Partners, the city's official promotional agency, before resigning to fight for a seat in the House of Commons under the Labour Party's banner. His work on economic advocacy highlights his dedication to maintaining London's economic vitality and global competitiveness, a commitment to the business community, support for startups, and efforts to attract international investments. Agrawal, who is fluent in Hindi, was born in Madhya Pradesh and grew up in India. Geeta Mohan reports about the case from on the ground in Leicester.
We are here in the heart of Leicester, a keenly contested constituency, battleground in many ways than one is what they're saying this time around. Although it's a very safe Labour stronghold, most of the seats over here are for the Labour Party or have always been Labour. But this time around with the Israel-Gaza war, a significant Muslim population here in Leicestershire, it seems like some of the seats could go the other way, or it would be very difficult for Labour or the sitting MPs to hold on to their seats. Now, while we know that the Conservatives have a stronger, harsher position when it comes to Israel-Hamas war, Labour has also tried to be very careful given UK's ties with Israel. So we'll have to wait and see what happens over here. It's Conservative versus Labour primarily, but independents could play spoiler.
Bureau Report, India Today Global.